Let's learn Gujarati. Today we will learn birds. Birds in Gujarati is pakshiyo. Pakshiyo. I know the letter in the middle, it's a little bit tricky, but over the time, once you practice, you will get it. So let's learn birds. Pakshiyo in Gujarati. Eagle. Eagle in Gujarati is Garud. Ga-ru-da. Garud. Swan. Swan in Gujarati is Hans. Again, there is a little bit dot on the top, so you speak and bring a nose sound, which is Hans. Swan, Hans. Stork. There is a movie. Everybody loves the movie Stork. Well, stork in Gujarati is Baglo. Bagalo. Baglo. Ostrich. Ostrich in Gujarati is Shamrug. Shamrug. Ostrich. Shamrug. 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 So eagle, Garud, swan, Hans, stork, Bagalo, and ostrich is Shamrug. બરાબર છે? Come back tomorrow to learn more. આવજો.